Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Tamadoge on your Trust wallet. And the first step is to log on to coinmarketcap.com to be able to get its contract address. And in order to do that, you also scroll down to the bottom of the page where we've got its about. As you can see, this token is currently listed on the Ethereum blockchain. It's currently on the Ethereum blockchain. So you simply click on this icon that says copy. You copy this, you minimize, open up your Trust wallet, and once Trust wallet has opened up, make sure you possess some sort of Ethereum and Ethereum related coins if you're willing to swap. You then click on the browser option and scroll down till you find Uniswap Exchange. Click on Uniswap. Uniswap opens up. The icon at the top right corner of the screen, which also signifies your wallet being connected or disconnected. By clicking this icon here, you can disconnect or connect. Once that's done, you simply select a token, and the token we're selecting is going to be the Tamadoge. So by selecting that and clicking on Tamadoge, clicking on continue, you're going to be able to trade 0.005. That's $9 worth of Ethereum, or let's go with 0.002, $3 worth of Ethereum in exchange for a good amount of the Tama, probably 265 million or so. But as you can see, it's got a very ridiculous gas fee, which is $7 in exchange for the only three. So altogether $10. In order to avoid these high gas fees, you simply minimize and use the OKX mobile app. And once you logged on to the OKX mobile app, all you need to do is simply possess an account to be able to use this centralized exchange as well. And in order to do that, you're going to have to click on the link in the video description. Once you click the link in the description of the video, you're going to be rewarded with $10,000 worth of mystery gifts and mystery boxes. And the only way to claim those mystery boxes is by verifying your account up to level 2 and depositing about 50 USDT or more on the OKX app. So once you've opened an account here, you simply click on this trade, which is at the bottom of the screen, the trade right here. Simply click on core USDT or whatever is shown up there, BTC USDT, it doesn't matter. Click on this and then search for Tama, T-A-M-A, and Tama USDT is shown. Click on Tama USDT. The price is given, the amount, the total, and everything. So we're going to be buying some Tama. So let's say we want to get 1,000 of Tama. That's going to be $13. Let's say 100. So you simply click on buy and you're going to be paying $1.38 for that. And once you've purchased the Tama, it's going to be deposited in your asset section. So once you come to your assets, you simply click on this withdraw over here and your assets are going to be listed. As you can see, I've got Everdome. So you simply search for Tama, T-A-M-A, Tama. Click on Tama and on chain, and you're then taken to the withdrawal menu where you simply enter the address, the network, the amount. So when you select network, it shows the Tama ERC20, and as you can see, the fee to transfer your Tama to your Trust wallet is really small, less than $1. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy the Tama on Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.